more stability exercises on the foam roll. We're going to be focusing primarily on the anterior oblique sling. So I'm laying back on the foam roll. Head should be supported on the roller. I check in with my pelvis and find a nice neutral position. From here, I can go into a few abdominal marches with breath, just to find stability on the roller. Inhaling, exhaling using the lower abdominals. Then I can find my tabletop position and bring the opposite arm up. Tap the hand to the knee. Exhale, extend out. Inhale, I can tap or press. Feel a cross-body connection from my right lower abdomen to my left armpit, my left latissimus. Exhale. Inhaling, creating stability through the cross-body connection. And you would perform on both sides.